Which of the following process destroys the magnetic properties of a bar magnet? Cutting into two pieces, heating, beating, sealing. Only 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3 and 3 and first and fourth one. So your correct option is B. Second and third, that is heating and beating. And 8th class students make the statement, heavy objects sink in water and light objects float. How is the science teacher of the 8th class best advised to react? Accept the statement as it indicates style, ideas and needs to be respected. Explain to the child that it is not the weight but the density of an object that determines whether it is going to sink or float. Present counter examples and arrange materials of different shapes, size and weights for the child to investigate. Explain the heavy and light are relative terms. So your correct option is C. Present counter examples and arrange materials. Which one among the following situation gives the students the best opportunity of discovery learning? Students being first shown the demonstration of germination of seed, followed by a detailed explanation, elaborate and detailed session of program instruction on the topic of germination of seed, encouraging students to investigate factors affecting germination through experimentation, instructing students through team teaching on the topic of components of food. So the correct option is C. Encouraging students to investigate factors affecting germination through experimentation. Read the following, which appears in class 8 NCERT textbooks. Nylon appears like silk. It is strong and flexible. These endearing qualities of nylon created a public sensation or nylon mania. When it was introduced in 1939, women's stocking made from this new fiber were in great demand. But unfortunately, most of the nylon productions has to be diverted to making parachutes during the Second World War, 1939 to 1945. After the war, when production of stocking resumed, supply did not match the demand. There were a huge black market for this product. Women had to wait for hours in queues to get a pair. Often they were nylon riots. What are the significances of including the above in the science textbook? To develop a historic perspective in science and development of ideas, to develop an appreciation of how new inventions create new demands, to develop a holistic understanding of science. Including such anecdotes makes science textbook light and easy. So your options are A, B, C and D. The correct option is A. Only 1 and 3. Hence, to develop historic perspective in science and development of ideas, to develop a holistic understanding of science. Sometimes the students have alternate conception related to various science concepts. What should be the science teacher do? Tell the students that their ideas are wrong and teach them the correct concept. Scold the students for having non-scientific ideas. Ignore their ideas. Help the students revisit their ideas through various activities. The correct option is B. Scold the students for having non-scientific ideas. A rectangular container given below is filled with a liquid heavier than water. You can see in the picture A, B, C and D. Select the correct statement from the following above. Pressure at A is equals to pressure at B or is equals to pressure at C. Pressure of A at A is greater than pressure at B is greater than pressure at C. Pressure at C is less than pressure at B, which is equals to pressure at A. Pressure at C is greater than pressure at B, which is greater than pressure at A. So the correct option is D. Pressure at C is greater than pressure at B, which is greater than pressure at A, because A, B and C you can see in the picture. Sonia usually take class 7th students on a field trip. Which of the following could be the objective? It provides concrete experiences to students. She can give them assignments and projects for formative assessment. It enhances process skills of the student. It saves her teaching time. So the correct option is D. Only 4 means it saves her teaching time. Which one of the following assessment strategies is most appropriate to assess the experimental skills of students in science classroom? Practical record, paper pencil test, checklist or concept mapping? The correct answer is practical record. Right, in experiments we are using. Open a water tap, adjust the flow so that it forms a thin stream. Charge a refill, bring it near the water stream, observe what happens, write a short report on the activity. The skills developed in the students through this activity are observation, experimentation and communication. Experimentation only, observation, experimentation and creativity. Observation only. So the correct option is C. Observation, experimentation and creativity. Identify the incorrect statement about the nature of science. Even the most established universal laws of science are always regarded as provisional, subject to modification in the light of new observation, experiment, and analysis. The method of science and its demarcation from other fields continue to be a matter of philosophical debate. Speculation and conjecture also have a place in science, but ultimately a scientific theory to be acceptable must be verified by relevant observation or experiments. Science is considered as valuable, neutral and objective, and the laws of science are viewed are fixed. So the correct option is B. The methodology of science and its demarcation from other fields continue to be a matter of philosophical debate. Which one of the following as strategy are more appropriate for a teacher to teach the topic save energy? Ask students to write slogans on saving energy, write at least 5 ways to save energy, make a model or project to depict energy saving, encourage students to save energies in various ways in their life. So the correct option is D, 1, 3 and 4. There are two planets in our solar system whose period of revolution around the sun are less than those of our Earth, but the periods of rotation are more as compared to those of Earth. These planets are Uranus and Neptune. The melting points of sulfur, aluminium, and iron are 113, 666, and 1535 respectively. Which one of the following is correct? Only S is solid at 200 degrees Celsius. Iron, sulfur, and aluminum are solids at 200 degrees Celsius. Only iron is solid at 200 degrees Celsius. Aluminium and iron are solid at 200 degrees Celsius. Correct option is D. A teacher frames the learning objectives as making a device using simple electric circuit. This learning objective is matching with which cognitive process? Understanding, analyzing, remembering, and creating. The correct option is D. Creating. Which of the following statement about scientific knowledge would you not disagree with? Scientific knowledge is absolute, certain, and eternal. Scientific knowledge is socially and culturally embedded. Scientific knowledge is theory laden. Development of scientific knowledge involves imagination and creativity. The correct option is A. Scientific knowledge is absolute, certain, and eternal. Which one of the following is the appropriate technique of assessment of attitude and values development among students by science education? The correct option is observation. Consider the following edible plants: banana, brinjal, ladyfinger, pumpkin. Select from these pairs of plants that has two or more than two edible parts. The correct option is B. First and fourth means banana and pumpkin. Which one of the following sets in the combination of organs of human digestive system that do not carry out any digestive function? Option A, esophagus, large intestine and rectum, buccal cavity, large intestine and rectum, buccal cavity, esophagus and rectum, buccal cavity, esophagus and large intestine. The correct answer option is option A, esophagus, large intestine and rectum. Study the following statements about villi, singular villus. They have very thin walls, they have finger-like projection, they have a network of thin and small blood vessels close to the surface, they have small pores through which food can easily pass. Identify the statement that give the characteristic that enable the villi to observe the digestive food. The correct option is B. 1, 2 and 3 are correct one. Select from the following a set of ruminants: buffalo, cow and deer, buffalo, cow and dog, cow, deer and dog, cat, buffalo and dog. The correct option is A. Buffalo, cow and deer. Sometimes after doing physical work, we get muscle cramps. This result due to non-conversion of glucose to pyruvate, non-conversion of glucose to lactic acid, conversion of pyruvate to lactic acid, conversion of pyruvate to alcohol. So the correct answer is C, conversion of pyruvate to lactic acid. Which one of the following shows the correct sequence of the part of urine in the human excretory system? Kidney, urinary bladder, urethra. Kidney, urinary bladder, urethra, ureter. Kidney, urethra, urinary bladder, ureter. Kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra. So the correct option is D. A bus covers the first 10 kilometers of its journey at an average speed of 40 km per hour and the remaining 45 km at an average speed of 60 km per hour. The average speed of the bus for its total journey is 55 km per hour. Which one of the following can be used to form a virtual and magnified image of an object? Both convex mirror and convex mirror, both concave mirror and convex lens, concave lens only, convex lens only. So the correct option is B, both concave mirror and convex mirror. Polio is caused by protozoa, virus, bacteria, fungi. The correct option is B, virus. A class 8 student make the statement, we live inside the earth and it is round. That's why Columbus ship returned to the starting point. How the science teacher of class 8 is best advised to react. Challenge the child's idea by presenting pictures taken from the space and helping her understanding how large the radius of the earth is. Explain that although the earth is round like a ball, yet it appears circular like a plate. Accept the statement as it indicates the child idea and need to be respected. Reject the statement. Tell the child that it is like a globe and we live on the surface of the round earth. Your correct answer is A. Light is falling on the surface S1, S2 and S3 as shown in below. The surface on which the angle of incidence is equals to the angle of reflection is S1 and S2, S2 and S3, S1 and S3, all of the three surfaces. So the correct option is D. All of the three surfaces you are able to see the reflection. Okay.